Bullish Rose value forecast is 4 cents to 23 cents. Oasis organization cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Rose cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Desert Spring organization cost expectation 2022. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Rose to break down the future development of the digital currency. Desert Garden organization current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Desert Garden organization is 4 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,472,727 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Rose has expanded by almost 3.4% as of now. Besides, Desert Garden organization has a coursing supply of 5,029,357,184 rows. Presently, Desert Spring organization exchanges digital money trades like Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Coinbase Trade, L-Bank, Gate.io. What is Desert Garden organization? Desert Spring organization is the local utility badge of the Desert Garden organization. Rose was sent off in November 2020 on the organization. Desert Spring organization is a security-centered brilliant agreements put together blockchain worked with respect to Universe SDK. The organization zeroes in more on advancing security and classification, very much like the Cardano blockchain. Desert Spring organization likewise involves a double-layer model, agreement layer, and paratime layer. Both the agreement and the computational tasks are isolated inside the layers. Rose tokens act as exchanges inside the organization. It is conveyed in the marking and assignment components of Desert Garden organization. Desert Spring organization value expectation 2022. Desert Spring organization stands firm on the 129th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. Rose cost expectation 2022 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time span. The above outline of Rose laid a climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the record-setting paces all around individually seem to move inside a rising incline. This example is for the most part a trade of a bullish pattern. Presently, Desert Spring organization is in the scope of 4 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Rose could arrive at the opposition levels of 4 cents and 5 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of Rose might tumble to 4 cents. Desert Spring organization backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Desert Garden organization. From the above day-to-day time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Desert Garden organization. Resistance level 18 cents. Resistance level 14 cents. Resistance level 23 cents. Support level 4 cents. The outlines show that Desert Spring organization has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Rose could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at 23 cents. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Desert Spring organization could fall to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Desert Garden organization value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Desert Garden organization is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Rose lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Desert Spring organization is displayed in the graph above. Prominently, Desert Garden organization cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, Rose has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Rose whenever. In the interim, the general strength list of the Rose is 39.86. This implies that Desert Spring organization is almost in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Rose might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Desert Garden organization value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Desert Spring organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Desert Spring organization. At present, the ADX of Rose lies in the scope of 35.77 and consequently, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for it. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability list of Desert Spring organization. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Rose lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Desert Spring organization is at 39.86, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Rose with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Desert Garden Organization. From the above diagram, we can decipher that BTC, ETH, and Rose are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Rose additionally increments or diminishes individually. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Desert Spring Organization could most likely accomplish 80 cents by 2023. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Desert Garden Organization could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Rose could mobilize to hit $1 by 2024. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Desert Garden Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Rose would mobilize to hit $1.70. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Desert Garden Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Rose would mobilize to hit $1.90. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2027. In the event that Desert Garden Organization supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Rose would energize to hit $2. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2028. Desert Garden Organization holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Rose would hit $2.30 in 2028. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Desert Spring Organization, it would observe significant spikes. Rose could hit $2.50 by 2029. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Desert Garden Organization biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Rose for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Desert Garden Organization could hit $3 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Desert Spring Organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Rose. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Desert Garden Organization in 2022 is 23 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Desert Spring Organization cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Desert Spring Organization biological system, the exhibition of Rose would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 59 cents very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach 50 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Rose is a wise interest